Welcome to EMR Physics. I am Raju, NCERT 12th Physics. We are solving the numerical problems given in Chapter 6 Electromagnetic Induction. In this video, we are going to see how to solve the numerical problem given in exercise 6.7. The problem is current in a circuit falls from 5.0 ampere to 0.0 ampere in 0.1 second. If an average EMF of 200 volt induced, given estimate of the self-inductance of the circuit. This is a given problem. In this problem, let us see what are the details given. There is a circuit and in that circuit, current changes from 5 ampere to 0 ampere. So from this we can calculate the change in current. This change takes place in 0.1 second. That means this is a change in time. The induced EMF is given, which is 200 volt. What is asked? We have to find the self-inductance of the circuit. Now let us see how to solve this problem. We know that when there is a change in current, the magnetic flux changes and the EMF is induced. So if the current changes, flux changes and the EMF will be induced. The induced EMF is given by induced EMF epsilon is equal to minus L di by dt. Here epsilon is the induced EMF, L is the self-inductance, di is the change in current, dt is the change in time. Now multiplying with the minus sign on both sides, we will get minus epsilon is equal to L di by dt. This minus will become plus. We have to find L. Therefore, keeping L on one side, L is equal to minus epsilon divided by di by dt. This di by dt will come to the denominator. In this problem, epsilon is given. We can find the change in current. dt is given. Epsilon is the induced EMF. Induced EMF is given as 200 volt. Current changes from 5 ampere to 0 ampere. So 5 ampere is the initial current and 0 ampere is the final current. This is initial current and this is the final current. Therefore, change in current is equal to final current minus initial current. This is equal to what is the final current? Final current is 0 ampere minus what is the initial current? Initial current is 5 ampere. So this is equal to minus 5 ampere is the change in current. Change in time is given. dt is equal to 0.1 second. So we know the value of epsilon, di and dt. Therefore, if we substitute, we will get L is equal to minus what is epsilon? Epsilon is 200 volt divided by di is minus 5 ampere divided by what is dt? dt is 0.1. If we take the reciprocal, then we will get this is equal to minus of minus plus 200 into 0.1 divided by 5. 200 into 0.1 is 20. 20 by 5 is 4. This is a self-inductance. Unit of self-inductance is Henry. This is the answer for the given problem. If you find this video is useful, please subscribe the channel, share it to your friends. If you have any doubts, comment below. Thank you for watching this video.